The Busy World of Richard Scarry, The Snowstorm, Aladdin paperbacks. String. It's time for recess at the Bustown School. It's very cold outside, Miss Honey warns the children, so don't forget to dress up warmly. The children can't wait to get outside. They rush to the coat rack, put on their coats, scarves, and gloves, and off they go. Don't forget to pay attention to your new playground monitor, says Miss Honey as they leave. She turns to Hilda. Put on this vest so the children will recognize you. Do you feel ready for your new job, Hilda? Miss Honey asks. Yes, I think so. Hilda squeezes the ball nervously. The ball bursts. Sometimes I forget how strong I am, Miss Honey. Well, Hilda, you are stronger than the average girl. I'm afraid I'm stronger than 10 average girls, answers Hilda. Hilda walks over to the door and wrench. Oops, excuse me, Miss Honey. You see what I mean? In the playground, Sally and Nancy are playing catch. Sally throws the ball to Nancy, but Hilda catches it and throws it back. Boom, poor Sally. The ball knocks her over and sends her flying into Sprout's sandcastle. Wham! Poor Sally. She's buried deep in the sand. Hilda rushes over. Are you all right, Sally? She asks, pulling her out by her legs. Yes, I think so. Sally catches her breath. But I think I'll just have a little rest. Hilda, can you push me, please? Kenny calls from the swings. I'm on my way, Kenny. Hilda pushes Kenny gently. Hilda, he cries. Give me a big push. So Hilda gives him a big push. Whoa. Kenny flies through the air, looping to loop, and lands in the snow. Thump. I think, Hilda, I had better rest a little. Kenny whimpers. Hey, Hilda, Huckle calls from the merry-go-round. Would you give us a spin? I don't know if I should, Hilda sighs. You never know what might happen. Oh, please, Hilda, we want to go faster. All right, Hilda says, but just a little spin. Oh no, we want a big spin. All right, get ready. Hilda gives the merry-go-round a push. Well, there goes our goal. There goes Bridget goal. The merry-go-round drills deep into the ground. Slow down, shout Huckle and Lolly. Oh, what have I done? Hilda cries. Huckle and Lolly pop out from the hole. Wow, that was some ride, says Lolly. I didn't know a merry-go-round could spin so fast, Huckle gasps. Recess is over and the children go back to their classroom. The moment they are indoors, it starts to snow. Children, I've heard on the radio that there's going to be a big snowstorm. Miss Honey tells the class. School will close now, so you can get home safely. Hooray! The children shout. Oh, look at all that snow. The children gasp as they get on the school bus. Hilda decides to walk home alone. Why didn't you get on the school bus? Miss Honey asks her. Oh, Miss Honey, I'm too strong and everyone is afraid to play with me. I can't be a monitor anymore. Our strength is a gift, Hilda, Miss Honey answers gently. You just need to learn how to use it. The bus moves slowly down the slippery road. It snows harder and harder. Can't we go any faster? Huckle asks Spotty Leopard, the bus driver. No, Huckle, it wouldn't be safe. We have to take it nice and slow. But even so, the bus skids out of control. It breaks through the road barrier and comes to rest in a ditch. Is everyone all right? Spotty asks. Yes, we're all right, the children shout. There's no need to be alarmed. We're stuck in the snow and we'll just have to wait in the bus until someone sees us. Outside, it grows dark in the bus. It's very cold. The children shiver and rub their hands together to keep warm. Meanwhile, Hilda makes her way home through the snowdrifts. Suddenly, Lolly notices something moving outside. Hey, Huckle, look, do you see what I see? They look through the window. There's something orange coming toward us. It's Hilda. Hilda, calls Spotty. Am I glad to see you? Can you go and get help, please? No, wait, Spotty. I have an idea. Quick, everyone out of the bus, she orders. Once the children and Spotty are safely outside, Hilda grabs hold of the bus and lifts it out of the ditch. Hooray, hooray, bravo! All the children shout. That was amazing. Wow, Huckle says. You're even stronger than I thought. Oh, it was nothing, Hilda blushes. Are you kidding? It's the greatest thing I ever saw in my life, says Huckle. The next day at school, Miss Honey reads the Bustown newspaper out loud to the class. Hilda Hippo's courage and strength saved the day, and her classmates awarded her a medal for heroism. Hooray for Hilda! The children cheer. Ring! The bell rings for recess. The children run to collect their coats and scarves. They can't wait to go and play in the snow. Hilda walks to the door which Janitor Joe has just repaired. Crunch, wrench, oops, says Hilda, holding the door. I've done it again. Come on, everyone, she calls. Let's go and play. Yippee, shout the children, running outside. Poor Janitor Joe. The busy world of Richard Scarry. Hilda saves the day. Hilda Hippo is very strong, and that causes all sorts of trouble when she's playground monitor. But when the school bus skids into a ditch during a big snowstorm, it's Hilda to the rescue. Richard Scarry's beloved Busty Town characters are now the stars of an animated TV series appearing on both Showtime and Nickelodeon. Don't miss these other fun-filled stories based on episodes of the show. The Best Babysitter Ever, A Big Operation, Camping Out, Mr. Frumble's New Cars, The Treasure Hunt,